publications. He is considered to be a national authority in electrochemistry. And in the changing nature of IIT, you can see that he is also a founder of Polymeric Sensors Private Limited, a startup company which is being incubated in the Society for Innovation and Entrepreneurship, SINE. And Professor Amarnath is going to give a presentation on that. Currently, he is the Dean, Alumni and Corporate Relations, and that is why he is the right person to welcome all of you. So, Professor Ali Conrad.
Thank you, Vijay. Good morning, all of you. I can see that the spirit is still burning bright after a day of partying at the Leela yesterday. I'm not sure whether people will turn up at 10 o'clock this morning. So nice to see all of you. And of course, I don't think you need a welcome. So we have students who are, first generation to go to a college, coming into the IIT system. Students from, really places where there's no network connection. I think that's the way one can see how remote those places are. And so IIT is actually playing a very important role in transforming the face of the nation, because I'm very sure, regardless of what might be the background, we are getting the best students, and 25 years from now, 40 years from now, these are the people who will be sitting here, and we'll all be proud of what they have done, just as we are proud of what you have done. So I think IIT is playing a role without making any sacrifices as far as, or any compromises, I should say, as far as merit is concerned. Recently, a student graduated from my department, and his parents came for his convocation ceremony. This was the first time they had travelled from their village to Kolkata, and of course the first time they have travelled from Kolkata to Mumbai, and they came here, attended the convocation. So one of the things which is going on right now is TechFest, and it might seem to you that it is bigger than MI was in your time. Let me tell you, it is actually bigger than MI is even now. The number of children, school children who come here to, and see the competitions, the projects, and this is really all that IIT is about. And I hope you enjoy your time. Thank you.
Somebody talked about walking out with the towel, Now we only ventured as far as the bathroom with the towel on, not beyond that. This is what is there. Nobody will have the guts to walk out with the towel. So we said, I don't think that should be much of a problem. So this guy, Atul, he made it out to be a challenge. He said, I don't think we'll have the guts to go outside the hostel with the towel. Where to? Then we said, well, it is ladies' hostel. He said, I'm sure you won't have that. So then Jitu was standing next to him. He said, I don't think that should be a problem. So Atul said, okay, let me see if whether he can really do that. Finally, the bets were laid. You'll be surprised. The amount was 15 rupees. 1 5, not 5 0. And so we said, okay, we had some preconditions. That means we would be allowed to wear underwear inside the towel. And a bathroom chappals, that Hawaii type. And so we said, okay, we started off. Now that time we thought that just two of us, me and Jitu, this guy at the back, and 3 4 other guys from Naving will following. And we go. But we never realized that things will go from bad to worse. Now somehow, as we came out, the word spread in the hostel. And then from this hostel, people started calling other hostels from that little telephone we had downstairs. And finally, the worst part is somebody informed the ladies' hostel. That I think Atul will throw light. So anyway, so we started off. We wore our towels, Jitu and me in the front, Atul behind, and about 7 8 of us behind us. And gradually, the whole thing gained momentum. By the time we realized it, there were at least about 25 50 fellows calling us by hostel 5. Then by the time we reached the Gymkhana, there must be another 50 fellows who joined us. Now, what scared the hell out of us was, now to reach the ladies' hostel, we had to pass the director's bungalow. And that was on the right side, ladies' hostel on the left side. Now, fortunately for me, he was very close to me. I said, look, now things are dangerous now, you know. Brigadier S.K. Bose was the director then, and you all know how he was. And suppose he said, he steps out, we had our chips, you know. So you go your way, I'll go mine. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Okay, let all these guys be behind us. And we went. Now, if they started, you know, how the boys are, they started making noise, good, hullabaloo and all that. And, you know, we are sweating now, you know. We are all going to spots apart. And finally, we reached and quite reached the ladies' hostel. In the darkness, we had to touch the wall. That we did. Now, coming back, we got to retrace our path the same way. So the danger was still existing that the director may come out. Fortunately, the bungalow had a little long walkway inside, so maybe he was not in town that day. I don't know, for our good luck. We came back, and I think probably Atul will describe the rest of it. Did you have something to say this? What?
So the prize was 15 rupees shared between the two of them. 7 rupees and 50 paise each. They were very happy. Now, I was the instigator. I will instigate it again today. They have agreed to reluctantly do this again if this group will contribute $15,000 additional money towards the IIT fund. Then we'll make them do this again. So, Pradeep or Kumar Shah, one of you can take new commitments for contribution to the IIT fund.
IIT Bombay is probably the top technical institute in the country. And of course, we have great strengths besides engineering in fields like humanities and social sciences, science.
Side, we provide completely autonomous unmanned aerial systems. One of our products named Netra. In the Liva itself, it's the same aircraft that you saw in 3 Idiots. That aircraft is one of the most intelligent flying aircrafts in the world, and it goes about flying by itself, collects video information and transmits it back to the home location for purpose of surveillance.
So we as a group have been working together since, I guess, our second years, and I think most of us share the same passion of making new and interesting things.